This is Unit 4, Standard 3 Review, Graph using Tables. Create a table and graph the function y equals x plus 4 with the given domain -5, -3, -2, 0, 1. So the domain, those are your x values. So in your table, we'll put -5, -3, -2, 0, 1. To find the y, substitute -5 in place of x here. So -5 plus 4 gives us a -1. So then plot that point, -5, -1. Now find your next point, -3. So we'll put -3 in place of x. -3 plus 4 is +1, so here y is 1. So -3, +1. Substitute -2 for x. -2 plus 4 is +2. So our next ordered pair, -2, +2. When we substitute in 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. So 0, 4 right on the y-axis. And then substitute in 1 in place of x. 1 plus 4 is 5. So our last ordered pair here is 1, 5. Don't connect the dots because we only have a domain of just these values. Number 2, create a table and graph the function 4/3 x minus 2 with a domain of all real numbers. So from -infinity to +infinity. This fraction with a denominator of 3, that means you're going to be dividing by 3 essentially. So I suggest pick numbers for x that can be divided by 3. So let's see, I'll pick -6, -3, 0, 3, 6. So 4/3 times -6 minus 2. 4 times -6 is -24. -24 divided by 3 is -8. -8 minus 2 is -10. So -6, -10. Okay, now substitute in -3. 4 times -3 is -12. -12 divided by 3 is -4. And then -4 minus 2, -6. Four-thirds times 0. Anything times 0 is 0 minus 2 gives us a -2. Okay, 4/3 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So your next ordered pair, 3, 2. Okay, now last one. We have +6. So 4 times +6 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So our last ordered pair here, 6, 6. Now here, because it's at a domain of all real numbers, that's where you draw your line through your points and make sure you put arrows. Number 3, create a table and graph 4x plus 2y equals -8, again with a domain of all real numbers. We want that equation to look like the equation in number 2 with just the y. So first we need to solve for y, isolate that y. To do that, we need to move the 4x to the other side of the equal sign, so inverse operation. Subtract 4x. So 2y equals -4x minus 8. divide everything by 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2x. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So here for our x values, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. We don't need to pick multiples of 2 because we don't have a fraction here. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 minus 4 is 0. So x is negative 2, y is 0. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Positive 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So 0, negative 4 here. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4, negative 6. So positive 1, negative 6. And then negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. So 2, negative 8 here. And again, since it says domain of all real numbers, draw your line through those points and make sure you put arrows. Last one, number 4, graph y equals 3x plus 1 with a domain negative 2, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to positive 2. So our domain is restricted here, so we're in between negative 2, we're in between negative 2 to positive 2, just those numbers. We don't have to solve for y because it's already solved for y. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. So negative 2, negative 5. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So negative 1, negative 2 here. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So put that point 1, 4. And last one here, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now here, since we're only in between a set of x values, we only need to connect the dots, no further.